Ladies and gentlemen, during the first half of 2016, Wienerberger was again able to prove its strength. The increase of our net profit from 6 to 27 million euro, a more than satisfactory achievement, can certainly be taken as a very positive signal. All the more so, since a great deal of uncertainty about future economic developments in Great Britain prevailed in the run-up to the referendum on EU membership. The outcome of the referendum at the end of June then resulted in turbulences and price fluctuations in the equity and foreign exchange markets, effects that were also felt by Wienerberger. Focusing consistently on our three strategic pillars, optimization, diversification and innovation, we addressed the challenges of this demanding economic environment. Despite negative foreign currency effects, for instance from the British pound, our revenues remained more or less stable at 1.5 billion euro, mainly as a result of constant sales volumes and slightly increased prices. Our operating EBITDA, amounting to 178 million euro, fell short of the previous year's level by 1%. Here too, we felt the impact of negative FX effects. Moreover, proceeds from real estate sales were significantly lower than last year. Without these one-off effects, operating EBITDA organically increased by 9%, which is a clear confirmation of our strength. In our end markets, we continue to see diverging developments in new residential construction as well as in the renovation and infrastructure sectors. Our European brick business performed well throughout its Eastern European markets, the only exception being Russia. In contrast, residential construction activities in Western Europe varied greatly from region to region. As expected, demand was muted in Great Britain in the period leading up to the referendum. In Belgium, the market trended downward from a high level. At the same time, activities in the Netherlands were positive, and Germany recorded a good development in the construction of single and two-family homes. Pipes and Pavers Europe reported a satisfactory development in Western Europe, especially in the Nordic markets. A positive contribution to the division's earnings came from the competitor in the Helsinki area, which we took over at the beginning of the year. Overall, however, the absence of orders for infrastructure projects in Eastern Europe and fewer orders for international projects had a negative impact on our plastic pipe business. In North America, both our US brick business and our Canadian business performed very well. Not so the plastic pipe business, which was exposed to strong competitive pressure. The economic environment continues to be marked by a high degree of volatility and uncertainty. Nevertheless, we maintain our projections for 2016 and confirm our EBITDA target of more than 400 million euro. Negative foreign currency effects are not yet included in this figure. These effects are now expected to have an impact of a total of 10 million euro for the full year, an amount which was not fully foreseeable at the beginning of 2016. For us, this means that we will intensify our efforts and continue to concentrate on the consistent implementation of our strategy. Above all, the situation calls for continuous optimization measures and increased cost savings through more efficient processes in production, sales and administration. In highly volatile markets, we additionally react quickly by adjusting our production capacities. At the same time, we will further pursue our efforts to develop innovative, future-oriented and profitable products and services in the coming months.